Say goodbye to junk drawer and try Space Aid Wrap Organizer. Clean the drawer first. Get your Space Aid Wrap Organizer. Remove the side panel and put in the wraps and foils rolls. Grab the roll's edge easily and use the slider cutter to cut the wraps clean. The package also comes with label stickers. You can label the bamboo box the way you like. Say hello to your beautiful and organized drawer. Now you become a professional organizer.
Give you a comfortable home. Oh my god, are the door gaps always leaking cold and dust? The most terrifying thing is that there are often cockroaches and bugs coming in the room. So terrible. Don't worry, our Holocan Door Draft Stopper will help you solve all these problems. Different sizes of door seals help you stay away from pests, block out the dust and wind, and keep your home warm and cozy.
Because it's a daily leave-on exfoliant. It's water light, it's not like an exfoliant that you might be used to. It has 2% salicylic acid, which helps to unclog pores and it gives skin a smoother texture. It also contains green tea extract to help soothe the skin, and it helps to prevent fine lines and wrinkles from appearing over time. I like to use it once or twice a day, depending on what my skin needs. If my skin's feeling a little bit duller, then I'll use it twice a day, but you can use it either with a cotton pad or on bare hands, and you can just press it into skin. In the morning, always follow with an SPF 30 or higher. Maybe you can see now why this is the Paula's Choice #1 global bestseller. It helps with so many different concerns, so many different skin types, and it just gives an overall glowy, pretty finish. For that reason, Paula's Choice is my choice.